Hello everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my giveaway winnings from Oh Really Alana. So if you follow me on Instagram, you may know this, but a while back she did an awesome giveaway and I was so blessed to win that giveaway. I actually received all of this in the mail probably either a day or two before we closed on our new house. So if you watched any of my recent videos, you probably know this already, but we just purchased a house and so we just went through a big move, and so I've had this for a couple weeks now, and I did have to open it a little bit and glance at it. I couldn't wait to just peek at all these amazing goodies, but I didn't really go through and fully open everything. So now that we're in the new house and I have a little bit of a makeshift filming area set up, full planning and filming area setup will come later. But anyway, now that I'm able to film videos again, I wanted to share all of this with you. So, Oh Really Alana she is an amazing planner, so creative. She has a YouTube channel and Instagram. She might have more, but those are the two places I follow her. So I will link her information below. She was also on the Happy Planner squad this last year, so chances are you know exactly who I'm talking about. But if you don't, you need to check out her content. It is wonderful. So like I said, I will put all that information below, so you can be sure to check her out. But let's get into all these amazing goodies that she sent me. So these are the removable decals. I don't have any of these. I think that there's probably multiple ways you can use them, but I think they're probably mainly for the calendars, like the wall calendars, kind of the reusable ones that you can get from the Happy Planner. I don't have one of those yet. It may be something that I purchase in the future now that we have more space. We were in a small one-bedroom apartment before, so there just wasn't a lot of extra space. But look at these. These are so fun. Let's see if... Okay, so this is like a protecting sheet. And then... Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, you could even like stick these on the window or something. I don't know why you would want to or need to, but they're kind of like that window cling material. So those are awesome. And then look at these fun little girls. Those are so cute. And then all these. So this is awesome. It's there's some things about school that may not really apply, but like check it off, today, birthday, all those things. I could definitely find a way to use. Those are awesome. Okay, I'm actually gonna stack this over here. All right, next thing is this, so it's an Undated vertical extension pack, and it's the princess one. This looks amazing, so we definitely have to. I'm actually gonna move this over here for now, but we have to open this up. And what's awesome about winning this giveaway is I don't have anything that was in this giveaway already. Like I don't have it in my collection yet. And some of it, like this, is something that I did have on my wish list but just never got. So I just think that's so awesome. But look at this divider. It says never give up on your dreams. And it's so pretty in that kind of like a pink purple foil. Awesome. All right, then we have the calendar, and I love that this is all undated, so I will be able to, I'm not quite sure when or how I'll use it, but that's what's awesome about some of the undated things is I don't have to be in a hurry to use it, like I'm not missing all these weeks. So this is awesome, so pretty. And it is pretty basic. I mean, it definitely has the pinkish purple color on here, but it's not overwhelming. So that's awesome too. Okay. And then, oh, here's a currently page. That's a beautiful currently page. And then this one, oh my gosh, you guys, you know I love this one because it's like the turquoise teal color. And it says, "Courage is golden." This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then again, there's that light turquoise color throughout these. Okay, I won't flip through all those again. And then a currently page. Oh, and then we have Cinderella. This one says radiate kindness. And this is in like a kind of like a royal blue darker blue. I like that. And there's those pages. Wow, that is such a beautiful drawing. I like how this more recent line of the princesses, it's more, how would you describe that? Kind of like more grown-up looking and a little less like cartoon looking. So it's very elegant. And then this one says, "The world is mine." So pretty. And then of course we have the green for these ones. Look at that, so gorgeous. All right, the currently page. And then, oh, these are pretty. So then these are some of the stickers you can use to label, you know, what month and dates and things you use. And then I love they added some little crowns and some little to-do flags. Oh, these are awesome. Those are beautiful stickers. I love those. And then, oh my goodness, I didn't even realize it came with a folder. This is so fun. It has all the princesses on the back of the folder, and then the little folder says "Chase Your Dreams." And I love that it's in turquoise. Oh, it's on both sides too. That's awesome. Very cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so that was the Undated extension pack. All right, next we have the guided journal. This is the Disney, oh my gosh, it's escaping me, but the most recent line of Disney products they came out. Disney Oasis or something, I think it might be. But let's actually look at this, because like I said, I don't know how I was this patient, but I didn't fully open all of this stuff. I peeked at it, but didn't fully open it. So right away, I do want to point out the discs. I don't have any discs like this. They're kind of like a beautiful melonish pink color. I love that. And then get that off there. See if I can get this off. I might wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. Then this is the cover. It says "Live Life Well." That is so beautiful. And of course these discs just go really well with this cover. Okay. And then, oh yeah, I'm gonna get this out. Actually, I don't see my scissors. I'm just gonna try to cut it, but let's see if I can just slide it off here. There we go. Okay. All right, so the first divider says, "Real magic happens when you are positively you," with Minnie. That is so cute. Ooh, that's pretty too. Okay, so let's see what this journal's like. So we have the week of, that you can put the week you're doing it. It says, "Choose a word to focus on this week." Pep talk for myself this week. Morning reflection. What ways can I add to my physical wellness? And then what ways can I add to my emotional wellness? That's awesome. Ooh, this color's pretty. And then, okay, so I think I've never had a wellness journal like this. This is awesome. So you kind of have like a currently or a dashboard like for that week. And then it looks like it'll go into each day of the week. So you can date it. Today's high moment. What am I enthusiastic about today? Where do I feel at peace? And my mood today. This one is how I spent time unplugged, mental exercises that helped me today, evening reflection, and then a space where you can journal like today was. And then it looks like some of those kind of, that's awesome. It's not the same every day. So that, I think I will really like that. So you don't get bored. Looks like it'll have a few different layouts. They're so pretty. And then the paper, oh my gosh, this paper is gorgeous. We have dot grid paper with a cute little plant design down here. And of course, one of the cactuses is Mickey shaped. That is awesome. So pretty. Okay. So that will repeat for a while there. And then the next divider says "Live Life Well." These are so fun. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. And then Shine Bright. This is awesome, you guys. And then Best Day. I like that. Oh, that's fun. Really pretty. Awesome. Oop. Just get all the way to the end here. Awesome. And the back cover, let's pull this off. That's awesome. It's kind of that same as the back of that divider I really liked. So that is really fun. This is awesome. I'm gonna have to decide when to start this, when to kind of add it in my lineup. I'm thinking right now I might wait another month or so, kind of get more unpacked, organized, get the whole home project done, and then have time to just be able to do more of this sort of thing, journaling and focusing. Okay, the next thing, and you guys, this was so on my wish list and I just wasn't able to get it. We were focused on our move and moving expenses, and so I was so excited to have the Disney Be Happy box. Oh, that's right. I think there's a couple more things before we actually get into the box. She packed this really well to get it to me, but this is amazing. She also included this pen pouch. It has the elastic strap. It is mini and it's gorgeous. So gorgeous. Oh, oh, these are the pen holders, I think, too. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, so fun. Love that. And then the Fancy Blooms sticker book, which I do not have this in my collection. Well, unless, now that I flip through it, I might actually have this because as I flip through it there, I don't know if I was showing you actually, but it looks very similar to one of the sticker books that was in the very first Be Happy box I got way back when it was all the neutral black and white and gold florals. And they had a sticker book like this with lots of florals, and then they had one that was more functional. And as I flip through this, it does look like it might be the same, but I don't think it was called Fancy Blooms. So I may have to look a little bit closer at that later. But these are gorgeous stickers that I don't mind using 2 times. All right, so here it is, the Disney Be Happy box. And this one is so gorgeous. I love that the Happy Planner mixed Disney with florals because they're 2 of my favorite things, and I think probably the same for a lot of you. But I just love, let's see if I can open this kind of nicely. Oh, I might rip it a little bit, but I might find a way to use some of this tissue paper. There we go, some of the extra that I didn't just rip up. Okay, oh, this is gorgeous. Well, let's start here. So this is awesome. It includes metal discs, and these are like, I don't know how you'd say this color, kind of like a bronze. No, maybe not. No, probably not bronze. It is more gold, but it's not quite, it's like a softer gold almost. Those are so gorgeous, you guys. Oh my goodness. Like, where's the camera here? Look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love those. I'm gonna have to figure out quickly where I want to use those because I definitely want to use those. All right, let's open this up. There's so many awesome goodies in here. Okay, so here is one of the elastic bands with a pen holder. I love this. Oh, that's cute. Disney Happy Planner. I like this blue color. It's so pretty. And I have not, now I have a couple things like this, but I haven't gotten a lot of the extra accessories and things yet. So it's kind of fun to have now some pen pouches and some different things. This is cute. Let Your Dreams Blossom. That's awesome. Is that a patch? Maybe a patch or a sticker, but it's like fabric on top. That's so pretty. And then this, oh, this is a notepad. Yes, oh my gosh, it's like a large sticky notepad. That is awesome and so beautiful. And then we have the pen pouch. This one's amazing, with the Mickeys, and then I love the green and the flowers with the green. Okay, then we have some stickers. These are such gorgeous stickers. Looks like 4 sheets. We have 2 sheets of flowers. Look at those. The flowers in the Mickey head shapes. Those are so cute. Okay, and then, oh, yes, I definitely need more of these bookmarks, like the marker tabs for my planner. So this is awesome. And of course, this one's so beautiful. And it says, "Be kind." And then we have another folder, which again, I could use a lot more of this sort of thing just to get a little bit more organized in my planners. So I'm very excited to have some things to work with. And then here's some, oh, this is cute. So I have like a Just Bloom divider, place for goals, and some really pretty paper. Or no, this is like another kind of divider. Stop and Smell the Wildflowers, and then some filler paper, really gorgeous filler paper. All right, and then I think that is everything, but I want to look at this happy, I think it's a Happy Notes, and it's gorgeous. So, oh my gosh, these discs are beautiful white. I don't think I have white discs yet either, so this is awesome. I'm starting to get some other colors and things in my collection. This is Find Joy in the Journey, and with Minnie and Mickey, they look so cute with these beautiful florals. And then, let's see if, can I rip that? Yes, okay. Oh. There we go. Okay. Sorry, I'm a bit all over. All right, the inside of the cover is beautiful. It's just kind of like a pink with white in there. It's so pretty. And this says, "Let Your Dreams Blossom. Stop and Smell the Wildflowers." That is gorgeous. And then this beautiful filler paper. It's like a light purple with the flowers down the spine. And that is absolutely gorgeous. And then this divider is amazing. That is so fun, so beautiful. And then Stay True to You. Oh, awesome. And then the inside of the back cover. That is so pretty. And the back, I think you got a glimpse of that before, but look how pretty that is. Just amazing. Oh man, I am so excited. Thank you again so much to Alana. I was just so blessed to win this giveaway, and all of these products are absolutely amazing. I'm so thankful and happy to add them to my collection. Again, links below so you guys can go check out Alana. She goes by Oh Really Alana on her like YouTube and Instagram, and her content is wonderful. You will be so blessed. So definitely check her out. And you guys, thank you so much for looking through all these awesome products with me, and I'll talk to you again in my next video. Bye!